Hello and welcome back. Today in this series, we are going to see the second part of the sheet metal. Now here we are going to open the sheet metal tab, and now today we are going to see the mitre, flange and hem command. So in the base flange, go to the base flange first and then select a plane. Once you select the plane, then make a sketch like this. Go to a smart dimension, give it a dimension. Now the sketch is defined. So click on OK and then exit. Once you exit the sketch, it will ask you to provide the thickness of the sheet here. So here I'm giving it a thickness of 2 mm. Okay, now we can see that the sheet is made. Now we can use the micro flange to make an edge like this, shown in this video animation. So in micro flange, we select the command. Then if you want to make the flange on this edge, then we need to select this edge, and once you select the edge, plane will be selected on the verge of the this edge. So here we will create a profile like this. If we want to make this profile here, okay, now once you exit the sketch, this will be created on the whole section. So this is how we use the mitre flange command in SolidWorks sheet metal. Okay, once again we can see, if you want to make a flange on this edge, then we can now make it again like this, and then we can define these lines as well, and then we can exit, and we can see that the profile is created. And now we will see the hem command. So in hem command we can exit this. I'm not saving here. Go to file, new part, okay, go to sheet metal, base flange, okay, top plane, okay. Now define this rectangle, and then exit. Now we have the sheet here. Now the hem command is used for a profile like this. So first of all we select the hem, and we have some options here like material inside, material bend outside. Okay, so we will keep it inside first, then we will show you how it comes to outside. So here we have these four commands like closed, open, tear, drop, rolled. So I'm clicking it here and here, and now click on this edge, and now you can see that a hem is created. Now this is the length of this hem part, so we can increase this like this. I'm keeping it here. Now if we go to material bend outside, then see here it comes outside, and then it comes inside like this. Okay, so let's keep it outside, and this is the open loop, like this is the closed loop and this is open loop. So once we click on here, the material bend is outside and the loop is open, and the dia of the internal circle made is 10 mm. You can change it from here like 5 mm. It comes like this. Then if you want to teardrop it, then you can definitely do this way. 0.5 mm, you can increase this. 10.5 it is this dia. So we can decrease this like this. Okay. Now rolled. So rolled will come this way. Like 200 degrees here, we can increase the degree and it will be rolled up more. Okay. Let's keep it 180 and this comes this way. Okay. Now we will keep it open and material bend inside and then click on OK, and then we can see that a hem is created. Okay. Now in this video I am covering jog part as well. So once you select the jog, you need to select the plane, and then once you select the plane, you need to make a line like this from where you want to bend. Okay. Now you can define the line. To define the line, you can select this line and give it a distance from here like this. Now the line is defined. Click on OK, click on exit, and now we can see there are three types of distances that we can provide. Okay, so we need to select fixed face first. This one will be the fixed face and this one will be the moving face. We can increase its height or we can reverse the direction as well. Okay, so it is taking the height from this plane to this plane. We can also keep the height from this plane to lower plane, or we can keep the height from lower plane of the lower plate to the upper plane of the upper plate. Okay, so let's keep it. We can also do one thing that we can take the material inside from the point of bend, take the material outside from the point of bend, and we can also provide offset like this. Okay, so we will keep the material outside, or we can keep the material in between the midpoint. Okay, so we will keep the material outside or inside. Let's keep it inside for right now, and then we will click on OK. Now we can see that a jog is created. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel. I will cover the rest of the commands as well in sheet metal, and then we will move to surfacing as well. So please subscribe the command and stay with me to learn SolidWorks, and I will also teach NX in some next videos after SolidWorks. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.